So I'm Paul Monaghan. I'm Chief Sales Officer at BigChange. So I run all sales for BigChange. BigChange is around growth in our customers and growth in our business. So fundamentally, a big part of that is around making sure that we, go out to, other organizations. It would be amazing for BigChange. It would benefit from BigChange and ensure that they understand the benefit of BigChange. So, the sales group is a great group of individuals. Within our team, we've got some amazing individuals. So the roles are actually hugely varied, both in experience and also in what they do on a day-to-day basis. So we've got individuals at the very, very start of their sales career, helping us to find the right prospect. So we call them our research team. So literally they're at the very start of their career, finding out if sales is right for them. And then we've got groups of teams, and we call them the sales development representative, our SDR team, and they're outreaching to new prospects. So they're calling every day and finding the next BigChange customer. It's a really hard role, but it's a really great role because they get to talk to lots of prospects and obviously, find our next customer. And then we've got our sales team. So, the sales team themselves are an amazing group of individuals, super knowledgeable in the industry, super capable group of individuals that have worked in BigChange for a long time through lots of different roles. You find there's a lot of upward movement in BigChange. They may have started in our road crew team, which is in our operations. They may have started in onboarding. They may have started in customer success. They may have started in marketing. And actually, they've got a huge amount of experience in the industry, a huge amount of experience in BigChange. And, we've supported them to be amazing sales individuals. So we've got the research team, the SDR team, we've got the sales team. We've also got senior sales individuals, which go after, much larger organizations, so sort of mid-market and corporate organizations. And then finally, we've got our pre-sales team, our technical pre-sales team. So the individuals are gurus in BigChange. Literally, that's what we call them. And they know everything about both the industry and BigChange in terms of the physical software itself. They go in and, some of the businesses that we work with are really complex. They've got complex solutions, complex challenges. And we try and support them in making it as simple and scalable as possible. So our pre-sales team, who are super knowledgeable, they go in and they have the ability to solve a problem from A to Z. The individuals that we're looking for in our business to join the sales group, they need to have big on energy. And ultimately, we want that individual to have a thirst for energy, a thirst for development. We want them to progress in their career. We want that individual to want to perform. We want that individual to want to succeed. We want them to be goal orientated and really driven to be the best that they can be. And it's our challenge to ensure that we find the individuals. And then it's our challenge to ensure that everything that we need to give to them and everything we need to support them to get the best out of them. So, we want to literally make their goals and dreams real. And obviously that's a big part for them. They have to bring the energy, they have to bring the commitment, they have to bring the knowledge, but it's around also us supporting that individual to make sure that they truly can achieve their goals. BigChange is an amazing place to work. So, I've been fortunate enough, within the last year, we've almost doubled our headcount over the last 12 to 16 months. And for me, I'm one of the individuals that has joined the BigChange family. So I can tell you firsthand, the team around us, it's really the people. Like a company is a collection of individuals. And for me, the people in all departments across, whether they're employee number one or whether they joined us last week, really that's what makes the company. And I really adore and love the colleagues that I work with every day, because you spend 60% of your life in work, if not more. And for me, BigChange is around the individuals that you work with every day. It's a fantastic group of individuals super knowledgeable, super capable, super passionate, with huge, obsession to help our customers. And that's across the board, whether it's from our finance group to our sales group to our IT group. Everyone wants to help our customer. The individuals that join BigChange are hugely obsessed by supporting our customers, educating our customers, and bringing on new customers as well. If you think about the business, obviously the first value is the value to the customer. So the value to the BigChange customer. That customer is going to be more efficient, more effective. That means they're going to do more business. They're going to be able to employ more individuals, be more profitable. And then ultimately, they're going to be able to give a better service to their customer. So the impact is compounded. So, it's not just the BigChange customer that sees the benefit. It's the end customer that also sees the benefit of BigChange, because they're going to get a world-class service. It's not just, you're absolutely right, it's not just the charity that we do and the fundraising that we do and the care that we have within our community, but it's also the extension of that community through our customers, our customers' customers, our customers' customers' customers in some occasions. And, for us, the impact that we can have, literally the impact that we can have, is enormous. Growth, hand on heart, it's and growth in lots of ways. So growth for the individuals in the business, obviously their career, their capabilities to progress, their capabilities to earn, growth for our customers, the capability for that customer to grow with confidence, for them to scale, for them to find efficiencies, for them to find, a great customer success for their customers, and growth in the community, because, we're going to, both through BigChange and through our customers, we're going to make a difference to, the communities that we have, and also the families that we support. So, growth in lots of different ways, but, for me, the most exciting thing about BigChange, both today and in the future, is, we're going to continue to grow as a business, as individuals, and our customers are going to be able to grow with confidence with BigChange. We have huge desire for upward movement. So within the last 14, 16 months, we've doubled in headcount, and that's huge. But we've also progressed a lot of individuals internally. So we've taken, an individual that started in other departments, completely different to sales, and we've progressed the individuals up all the way through to management and leadership. So for me, the development is in, obviously, their chosen field. So if they, if they're committed and dedicated to sales, we'll ensure that they are a true sales professional. We'll take them all the way to what they can achieve, and we'll ensure that we give them all the support that they require to achieve their goals. But if one of their goals is to potentially change careers and go into project management, or go into customer success, or go into our development teams, or our IT teams, we also support them professionally, and also emotionally to make that change. It's an absolutely real life in terms of that upward progression and that desire to, make sure that everyone can fulfill their potential.